Playing zero-sum Newb coding is a fun way to practice adding or subtracting both positive and negative numbers using critical thinking and logic. The goal of the game is to select numbers on the outside ring and place them at the different points inside to make equations that will equal 0 when summed. When you begin a game, a range of numbers appears around the outside arc. These numbers will be placed at each entry point, marked by the red triangles on the inner red circle. In this example, 7 is the center number. If we place the 4 on this triangle entry point, the equation makes 4 minus 7 equals -3. If we put 5 on that same entry point instead, the equation makes 5 minus 7 equals -2. It is your job to figure out which numbers make the right equations whose results all equal to 0 when summed. The order of which numbers you select is not important, but it is useful to find answers to equations that cancel out. Here, we know 1 plus 7 equals 8. So, with the two remaining equations, how can we make -8 by adding the two answers together? Well, 2 minus 7 equals -5. And 4 minus 7 equals -3. Adding -5 and -3 equals -8, which will cancel out the +8 to make the 0 sum. Now that we know how to solve the problem, the next step is to code. First, click on the selection number you want to move. That will appear in the first open code box on the right. Next, click on the red triangle by the equation where you want to place the number. The coordinates of this entry point will appear next to the number you last clicked. Continue to do this to all of the selection numbers. If you want to delete a move, simply click on it in the code box and it will disappear. When you're happy with the code, click Run and watch as the computer checks your work. If your equations make a 0 sum, the board will light up, your progress meter will move up, and a new problem will appear. When you have not solved the puzzle correctly, meaning the sum of the equations is not equal to 0, the board will light up red and a new problem will appear. Each game starts with a set number of bonus stickers. Each time you click Run and do not sum to 0, or click New and try to bring up an easier game, 2 bonus stickers will be deducted from your starting bonus stickers. As you advance in games and rounds, the problems will become more challenging. The number in the center will increase, and more selections and red triangles will appear on the outside. Remember to focus on working through the equations in your head or on paper to first determine the sequence of codes needed to create a 0 sum. We hope you have fun playing zero-sum Newb coding. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!